Introducing the Power Air Fryer Oven. It can air fry 75% more than traditional air fryers. Our stainless steel airflow racks and rapid air technology fries food with a whirlwind of superheated air for that great crispy fried taste with up to 70% less calories from fat compared to deep frying. Order now and get the extra large rotating stainless mesh basket, our stainless rotisserie spit, and 10 stainless skewers. We'll also include our entire Power Air Fryer Oven library. Order right now.
What can you do with this tablespoon? With T-fal ActiFry, you can create healthy and delicious meals for your family using just 1 tablespoon of oil. ActiFry is perfect for preparing meat, seafood, stir-fry, vegetables, and many more dishes. You'll feel good knowing that you've used just 1 tablespoon of oil for the entire recipe, and that your family will enjoy every delicious bite. ActiFry is really easy. I just put in my fresh ingredients and 1 tablespoon of oil. Set the timer, and a delicious and nutritious meal is ready in no time. And ActiFry takes the mess of cooking and cleanup off my plate. It comes apart easily, and the pieces go straight into the dishwasher. I love my T-fal ActiFry. It makes cooking great meals fast, convenient, and fun for the whole family.
That's great.
Find ActiFry at your local retailer and visit us at tfalactifry.com for recipes, cooking tips, and more. T-fal, ideas you can't live without.